Go ahead and go out to the truck so you can see the difference and hear the difference. All right. So what's going on, good people? So listen, not the Integra on the truck, and we are talking about door handles, quality of parts, and pricing. So yes, these are you get similar handles just like this off eBay, and I did get a set off eBay. And then on the new edition of the truck, since I'm kind of upgrading it or refurbishing it, I decided not to get the eBay handles. And there's a few different reasons why. This is an OEM handle, comes in the OEM box with the holographic stickers. I went ahead and got textured black. That's something that you're gonna find hard to get in the Amazon style versus just the chrome or the very shiny black. But there are some quality differences on these handles, and we will go out and check. And matter of fact, let's go ahead and go out to the truck so you can see the difference and hear the difference. All right. So I already did the driver's side, and I'm going to tell you on some of the Amazon handles, that lever that attaches to the rod inside is not correct. So I ended up taking one off of an OEM and putting it on the Amazon. But just look at the quality of the click when you open the door. When you pull the handle, you don't see a lot of flexing in the handle, and the gasket seems to be better. I've already done both this side, so let's go to the other side. So if we come here, this right here is one of the Amazon handles. You see that? Now you saw another one, you pull like that, it comes open. This one, not so much, because you get a lot of flexing in the handle, and you can almost see it flex right in there. But you finally pull it, you'll get it. All right. Look at that. These are the things that you run into without the OEM ones. That's not what you're gonna get on the OEM handles, but you'll get that on the Amazon. So definitely, and you'll have a lot of little play in here too with the Amazon handle. So I understand that these handles, GMs, can be very expensive. I do get that, but you get what you pay for. And in my opinion, I honestly think it was worth the money. Look at that. That's what it should be. So you get what you pay for. I did order this too, so that's coming. And we'll get ready to start doing some trimming for the wheels.
You kinda like Face at the end of the flick. The world was yours and you died on the shit. Wolfpack gang all over this bitch. Taking over YouTube, running that shit.